Hi everybody, welcome to 2015. Happy New Year. This is the year you've decided to change. This is the year that is going to be better than any year before it. So the question is, what are you going to do differently? How are you going to make it happen? We all know what the definition of insanity is, so I'm not going to bother to repeat it here. What I am going to offer you are a few tips to help you on your way. Notice I didn't say easy tips, because quite frankly, there's not too many easy things in life, except maybe to chew bubblegum or sit on the sofa and watch TV. If you're looking for real change in your life and you want it to stick, there are some things that you have to remember and accept as natural facts of progress. Number one, own it. Choose to accept that you are where you are in life because of the decisions you've made. Whether the result is good or bad or undesirable, something that you weren't looking for, think about the fact that you are where you are because of the decisions that you've made. And that's okay. Number two, it's okay to fall as long as you get back up. Number three, action is the only way you can get what you are looking for out of life. No amount of thinking about, reading inspirational quotes, or dreaming about something will get you what you want. You've got to get off the sofa and stay committed to what you're looking for. Number four, don't make commitments for other people. You need to do it for yourself and only yourself. If you want to lose 5 pounds, why do you want to do it? Do you want to do it because of what people think of you? Do you want to do it because somebody's going to compliment you? Or do you want to do it for yourself, for your health, for the way you feel, for the way your energy will improve, for the excitement that you'll have in having a challenge and succeeding at it? Number five, seek help. If you don't know something, chances are there's somebody out there who knows what you need to know to get where you need to be. Don't be afraid to ask for what you're looking for. Number six, plan. If you don't know where you're going, you need a map. Plan out your progress. Figure out the steps you need to get where you need to be. 2015 is not the year for finger pointing. Finger pointing stops here. Making excuses as to why you haven't achieved what you wanted stops here in this year. This is your year to make it happen. But you need to stay committed and you need to own the decisions that you make. If you can do that, you are a huge, huge step closer to getting what you want. Own the outcome. Commit yourself to it. It's not just about doing anything. It's about doing everything possible to achieve the results you're looking for.